Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys something really amazing. Now I do want to clarify, this is a follow-up video to a previous video that I just made in which I showed you guys the following. So most Samsung smartphones, when you press and hold the side button here, brings up the Bixby, okay, that's the Bixby assistant. And of course, a lot of people don't like that. So in yesterday's video, I showed you guys how to change that to Google Assistant. So when I press and hold, it brings up the Google Assistant, which is a much more powerful assistant than Bixby. What year was Alexander Dumas born?
July 24th, 1802.
Now in today's follow-up video, I'm going to show you how to make this perfect. And here's what I'm talking about. So now when you press and hold this button, it's going to bring the actual Google Assistant just like that one. Okay, so that's the one that shows up at the bottom when you normally press the home button here. Okay, but now we're going to program it so it actually shows up when you press and hold the side button. So again, in yesterday's video, when you press and hold, it brings up the Google Assistant, but it doesn't bring up the real one, which is this one right here. So when I press and hold, it should appear at the bottom. Okay, so in this video, let's get that done. It's going to be amazing. Now, I do want to give a quick shout out to my man over here for bringing this to my attention on Twitter. Thank you for this fantastic tip. Okay, so here's step number one. The step number one always is going to be to download the Routines Plus application. So what you want to do is you want to click the link down below. It's going to take you to my website. You want to go up a little bit. Okay, if you already have the Routines Plus application, and good luck, you're fine. But if by chance you're watching this video for the first time, what you want to do is click the link down below. Once you're at the website, simply click this link right here and make sure you have the Routine Plus application. You install that, then you want to go back to the website and also make sure you install the Good Luck application. So you click on the Good Luck application, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to install that application. So that's step number one. Step number two, you want to go into the Play Store, okay, and specifically download the Google Assistant app. So search for Google Assistant, all right, and it's going to be on the top right here. It is made by Google, and you simply install this application, all righty? Now, once you install that, let me show you how to set it up. So when you press and hold, the Google Assistant shows up at the bottom. All right, so I'm going to push this phone to the side. We have everything we need on this phone right here. So here's step number one. Now that we have all the apps, we are going to be launching Good Luck application. All right, so launch the Good Luck application. And then once you have this, you want to scroll down a little bit till you go to the Routine Plus. So you click on Routine Plus application. And then once you're there, what you want to do is this thing. So you want to tap on location-based quick access option. You click on this one, and then what you want to do where it says if button action, you click on this one and you pick the side key, which is this key right here. And also you're going to say interaction is going to be press and hold. So that means if I press and hold the side key, then you click done. And then you want to tap on the place, and you can just pick one of these options. I'm actually going to fix this. It doesn't matter what you pick here. We're going to remove this condition in a minute. But initially, you do have to pick a location here. So let's just say my current location. Just say OK, click done, and you're fine. Don't worry about that. We're going to remove that in a second. And then finally, you go to then, and you tap on this one. And now, yesterday's video, we tapped in Google. Okay? And what we did was we picked this one right here, the voice search option, which brings up this guy. That's not what we want. So that's why we install the actual assistant. So type in assistant. And when you type in assistant, it says open assistant right here. This is the one you want to choose. All right. Now, once you have that chosen, you click on done and you click on save. You can also change the name of this. So let me tap on edit name. Let's just say, you can give it a relevant name if you want. I'm just going to say X for now, make it easy. Tap on done. All right. Now what's going to happen is when I press and hold this button, it is going to in fact launch the Google Assistant, which is going to be this one right here, which is the best one, okay? What's the weather like in New York today?
Right now in New York City, it's 76 degrees and clear.
Fantastic. Now, let me show you one more final touch to make everything perfect. What you want to do after everything, you want to go to your settings. You want to scroll down and go to advanced features, all right? And what you want to do is you want to go into Bixby routines, okay? The routine we just created is saved right here under my routines at the bottom. Tap on my routines. It's going to say X as we named it. You click on it. You tap on edit and you remove this condition right here. That's the location information that you don't need so that this whole thing can work everywhere, okay? So tap on next. You can give it name again, pick anything that you want here icon wise, tap on done, and now everything is perfect. This is basically going to work anywhere that you go. Hey, what's up? Oops. Hey, what's up?
It's a nice day, and I'm looking forward to a good weekend.
All right. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Again, this was a follow-up video to the previous video to make that process perfect. And of course, we want to again thank my man on Twitter for letting me know that you can download Google Assistant separately and attach it to that side key. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right? All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.